Welcome back. As promised, let's get straight to Nimesh. He's standing by to tell us what is he picking up in D Street Chatter. Nimesh.
Hi Nigel. A quiet day of trade, pretty much in a narrow range since the morning trade, and even the flow seems to be quite muted as well. The sector of the day clearly is oil and gas stocks. All the OMCs are buzzing in trade, and we spoke about that yesterday as well. That maybe there is a bit of buying interest back ahead of the big NFO which is going to close next week from a leading domestic mutual fund. So that could be one of the reasons why we're seeing a big traction in those names today. Apart from that, I guess the TCS earnings tonight would be a big trigger to watch out, not only from an earning perspective, but for the overall IT stocks as well. So that's big number to track. But frankly, it's been a quiet day, so to speak, and even the volumes seems to be slightly muted.
All right, then let's get stock specific, Nimesh, because broader markets, there is a fair amount of activity.
Oh, absolutely, and that's where a lot of broader market mid-cap stocks are buzzing in trade. So the first name is MSGC. After a long time, this stock has come into my charter list. Big buying interest in that particular name, surprisingly from a leading domestic AIF, and that's the reason why we've seen a big move in that name today. So that's the first name. Second, two stocks where there is delivery-based buying, Grasim and Interglobe Aviation. Both are seeing very strong buy flows at the leading FIDs. So it looks like some bit of institutional interest is back, and so expect high delivery volumes in both these names today. The third stock is Ambuja Cement. Nigel has been highlighting the Nomura note since morning. A big upgrade on that name. They've raised the multiples as well. But interestingly, in Ambuja Cement, I understand a leading long-only fund is an active buyer as well. So there is accumulation happening at these levels from a leading FII. And the last is TVS Motors. There were multiple block deals in today's market, so disclosures would be quite interesting. But I understand potentially a leading FII was a likely buyer in today's block. Also, the company has launched some new bikes as well. So that seems to be exciting the stock. So I guess disclosures will be quite interesting in TVS Motors today.
All right, we take that point. Nimesh, thank you so much as always for joining in.